Yo, what's going on, dudes? In this tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a meme intro on OpenShot video editor, or just a gaming intro, however you would like to talk about it. So you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need your clip that you want to insert for the video intro, and then you're gonna need some non-copyrighted music, or you can go copyrighted if you want, but that's not my decision to make. So first, what you want to do is drag in your clip. Now sometimes these clips do have audio, so what you're gonna want to do is if you don't want the audio in, go to volume, entire clip, and put that at 0, and then put your music in. Now let me turn this down just for video purposes. 30 should be fine. But pretty much now we're gonna have the music and some kind of spinning title. So let's go ahead and title, and let's go to whichever one of these you want. Honestly, I prefer gold one. Now what you're gonna want to do is name your title. So I'm gonna do like and sub for frog dance. Alright, so now that we've got that saved, let's go ahead and drag that into the timeline. Now what we're gonna do is to trim and expand some of these clips. So first, let's view what we have so far.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
Alright. So now what we're gonna do, first let's work on trimming and expanding some of these clips. So let's go ahead and zoom in on the timeline, not that far, and line up these clips as best as we can. And now what we're gonna do is go all the way to this, and see exactly where we need to cut the music by using the arrow keys to split any type of clip you want. Alright, so now we have
1,
the frog
2,
and the title and the dancing.
3, and 4. Count what you 4. Count what.
Alright, so let's go ahead and trim up the title.
2 and 4.
So you guys saw right at the end of that countdown is where I want this title to appear. And let's see what we have so far. So exactly
1,
when the
2,
music is done with
3,
its countdown.
and 4. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
Alright, now what we need to do next is make this actual spinning title, but because it's still stationary, which is not what we want. So you want to go to the very first frame using the arrow keys of this title when it shows up. Then what you're going to want to do is right click it, go to properties, and don't mess anything else on here except for rotation. So you're going to want to drag it with your mouse wherever you want it to go. I like mine starting a little bit to the side. Now we're going to go a little bit farther in the clip. Then you're going to want to switch the rotation to the other side. You're just going to want to keep doing that throughout the clip. Just so you can, like, it gets that nice spinning effect. You can do this however fast or slow, or however quantity you want. All the way to the very last frame. Okay, let's see what we have now.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you.
I messed up there. Let's move this back slightly, just to get that good countdown in the song.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
I messed up there. I need to expand that frame. Make sure these are lined up however you want them to. And let's go ahead and review this final result.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Alright, let's go ahead and view this final result.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have.
Alright, so that seems good. And thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. And can't wait to see you guys in the next one.